One bola,
1 minute and 22 seconds.
Wala si Figueroa, nakawala. Pass to Cabrera. Cabrera again, traffic. Now, one is Olivares. Olivares again, Olivares. Okay, may tawag referee foul by number 31, Cabrera. Penalty. Cabrera. Second personal foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Good for one.
Sub.
Hindi pa, nakaprito na lang isa eh. Hindi naman tayo professional eh. Relax! Okay. Masaitono, out. Buzoli. 87-85, 2 points nila ang hinahabol. Cabrera again giving the ball. Aras Begias pass to Buano. Okay, may tawag na red, pushing foul by number 12.